Okay, so we're gonna edit this vocal performance here from the song. We're going to get rid of all the breaths and add any fades wherever necessary. So let's start from the beginning here. I'm going to just straight off the bat cut the sound here, and I'm going to use the Command E split tool clip. I'm going to press 0 to mute that. I'm just going to add a little fade in. Now we've got a little breath here. So I'm just going to zoom in so I can use the command, and then I'm using my mouse to do the horizontal scroll, and then I'm going to drag here, click here and drag, and then I'm going to press 0, and then I'm going to fade this out and I'm going to fade this in. Let's have a listen to how that sounds together. Tell me. Maybe just a little bit more. Tell me your wisdom. And then here I'm going to remove this. I'm going to silence it by highlighting, selecting 0, then use the fade. Let's get rid of this breath here. So just highlight, fade out, fade in, using the 0 to silence. Sing me your songs. And like this, I can go on and continue silencing out any breaths. So if I want to change the gain to have everything at a more consistent level, I can cut sounds out like this, highlight. Now, if I want to extend the selection here, I can press Shift and click to get a longer selection. So now I'm going to split this clip out by using the key command, Command E. And then I'm going to double click. And then I'm going to change the gain here. I'll bring it down by maybe, let's have a look. Bring it down by about -2.5. So that the gain of this is closer to the gain of the previous part. Let's have a listen to it. And it's really important whenever you change the gain to always add a little crossfade. So I'm going to take it from this side and just do a slight drag backwards. Just ensures that there are no clicks. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to do a fade in. Do a fade out here. I'm going to split this clip out as well. I'm going to change the gain of this one as well. Just bring it down a little bit. Let's have a look. Up a little bit. Add a little crossfade. Take all of that out. Saraswati Ham, Saraswati Ha. Now, if I want to see graded divisions here of lines, I can press Command 1 to get more fine divisions. And you can see the thing changing here on the right-hand side. Or I can zoom in like this and I will get finer divisions, right? So Command 2 will expand the divisions, Command 1 will increase the divisions. I'm just going to do a cut here. Command E. I'll just bring this down slightly. We'll take all of this out, put it on the bar, fade it out. Now, once I'm happy with the performance, to get everything into a new file, I click from the first clip, and then I hold Shift, and I click the last clip, and I've got all the clips selected. And in order to get a new clip, I can press Command J. And so this gives me a new file that's actually normalized. You can see the gain here at the bottom has been reduced. If I double click here, it'll get pushed up to 0 dB. I'm going to press Command Z for now. And so all the fades, silences have all been imprinted into the audio file. And so this has created a new file, which I can find in the consolidated folder. And I can rename this as I feel appropriate. So this is how I edit my vocal audio files in Ableton.